In this video, we shall be looking at expansion of algebraic expression to expression of the form a plus or minus b multiplied by c plus or minus d. 3. Substitution of values. So let's look at expansion of algebraic expression. Example: say I have a into brackets b plus c. How do we expand this? What we simply do here is we multiply a all through by what we have in the bracket. So how do I do this? So I have a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. That is simply the expansion of this. So, and that will give me a multiplied by b will give me ab plus a multiplied by c, ac. So I have ab plus ac. So let's see some examples under this. I have 3 multiplied by bracket open 2 plus 3 bracket close. How do I do this? I just follow the simple illustration I just showed you using a, b and c. So I have 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3. So I have 3 multiplied by 2 to be 6, 3 multiplied by 3 to be 9. So I have 6 plus 9, which will give me 15. Let's do another one. Example 2 says x into bracket 2 plus b. How do we do this? We simply expand this also. So I have x times 2 plus x times b. So I have x times 2 will give me 2x. X times b will give me xb. So I have 2x plus xb. Can you see that? That is very, very simple. And this will lead us to another one, which will help us bracket a plus b into bracket c plus or minus d. Can you see that? So let's look at this example. To do this, we take the values of one to multiply the other. What do I mean? Let's look at this. A plus b into bracket c plus d. What we simply do here is I take the values of a plus b to multiply c plus d, or I take c plus d to multiply a plus b. So what I do here is I first use a to multiply c plus d plus b to multiply c plus d. So I have a into bracket c plus d. Can you see that? Then I use plus b to multiply c plus d again, plus b into bracket c plus d. So opening brackets with the first illustration we did, how do we open these brackets? So I have a times c, which will give me ac, plus a times d will give me ad. Then we multiply the second one. I have plus b times c will give me plus bc. Then plus b times plus d will give me what? Plus bt. Do you get that? Let's look at an example so that you understand better. Example 1 says solve 2x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y. And 2 says multiply 3a plus b into bracket a minus 2b. So let's look at the first one. The first one says 2x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y. So how do we do this? I said we use the value of one to multiply the other. So I first take 2x from my right to multiply all that is in the left hand side. So I have 2x into bracket 2x plus y, bracket close. Then I have plus y again to multiply 2x plus y. So I have y into bracket 2x plus y. So expanding this, I just multiply through. So I have 2x times 2x will give me what? 4x squared. Do you get that? Then 2x times 2y will give me 2xy. Then we have plus y times 2x will give me 2xy also. Then I have plus y times plus y will give me y squared. Do you get that? So we have 4x, then we have in the middle 2xy plus 2xy. Since they are carrying the same variable, what do? We just add the coefficient, which is 2. So I have 2xy plus 2xy will give me 4xy plus y squared. So I have 4x squared plus 4xy plus y squared. Pretty simple. Let's look at the second example and solve it. What do we do here? We use 3a plus b to multiply what is in a minus 2b. So I have 3 into bracket a minus 2b plus 2 into bracket a minus 2b. You know how we got that? Okay, pretty simple. So we multiply through now. I have 3a times a, we have 3a squared. 3a times minus 6b will give me minus 6ab. Then plus b times a will give me plus ab. Then plus b times 2b. I said plus times minus will give us what? Minus. So I have minus 2b squared. So I have 3a squared plus minus 6ab plus ab will give me minus what? It give me minus 5ab. You know that. Then minus 2b squared. So I have 3a squared minus 5ab minus 2b squared. So let's look at substitution of values. What we simply do here is, when a value for the unknown is given, we substitute the value in the algebraic expression. That is, if I have, let's look at this example. It says find the values of for the following algebraic terms, given that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 3. So 1 says 3ab, then 2 says 4c divided by a. So how do we solve this? Solution. For number 1, it says 3ab. Here we do substitution of values. That is, we substitute a for 2, we substitute b for 1, we substitute 3 for c. So how do we do this? Our a is what? 2. So we have 3 times 2 times, what is our b? 1. So I have 3 times 2 times 6. Also here, number 2, it says 4c divided by a. What is our c? Our c is what? 3. So I have 4 times 3 divided by what? A. What is our a? Our a is 2. So solving this, 4 times 3 will give me what? 12 divided by 2. So what is 12 divided by 2? 2 here, 1. 2 in 12 will give me 6. So I have my value to be 6. Pretty simple.